Something else to consider once you have students enrolled in your class in Edmodo is using the small groups feature. And what small groups allows you to do is to subdivide your class into smaller, more manageable groups so that they can work together on perhaps maybe project-based learning, peer review group, lab group, a literature circle where you want your students to just be talking amongst a smaller group of students. So there's a variety of different ways you can use it, but when you create a small group, those students will only be able to see and post to those students who are also in their group. It's very easy to set up. So once you're in your course and you have students enrolled, what you're going to do is scroll down and click Create a Small Group. You'll name your group. So once we've created it, we'll see it here. We'll see it here. We're going to click on the name of the group. Right now, I'm the only member as the teacher because I have access to all my groups. So if I click over here on members and I want to now add members, I'm going to get a list of all the people who are enrolled in my master class, and I'm going to choose which students I want to be part of this particular group. So if we click on a couple of people, we add selected members, now they are in my group. So now I'm going to go over to my other browser so I can see what this looks like on the student end. So I'm going to click back over here. I'm just going to refresh my screen. Now I'm going to enter my course as Tim Tebow. Now you can see I'm in my master class basis of Edmodo, but I also have the availability to work within the small group that I was just assigned to. So I can click over here. There's no posts that have been made by my teacher or anybody, but this is where I can send notes to my teacher or anybody else in my group. So let's say we're doing a research project together, and I just found a really cool video that I think will help us with our research project. So I can type in my note, and then I can put a link, or I can upload a document just like the teacher can. And I post my link in here. And it's just a really nice way for a student to be able to share information with one another in just a smaller setting. So now I can click attach. And you can see right here, this is only going to be going to my group A. Students only have the availability to send to the groups that they're enrolled in. They can't send it to anybody else. So I click send. And now my post has been posted, and the other person in my group and my teacher will be able to see this and view this. So small groups are pretty simple, and it's just a nice way to get your students working together in a smaller group setting.